Park Rapids Adventure. This is loading area for Jurassic Park.
Flooding from the recent storms, but all other exhibits and attractions are. The dinosaur hatchery and science compound are closed today due to the possibility of flooding from the recent storms, but all other exhibits are.
See dinosaur. Oh my god.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at Jurassic Park.
Okay, we have just completed the Jurassic Park ride and now we are coming out. This is the souvenir shop which is for the theme of Jurassic Park, and you get wet after you come out of there, and then you have this drying pods. You can make use of that to dry yourself. Let me try that. Let's go to the canopy flyer. Here they are going for the far, far away. Fairy godmother, the Shrek. Oh no, the Shrek one. Happily ever after. Shark 4D Adventure Show. Let's try this.
What are they waiting for?
Oh, this is torture. I'm out of here.
Oh, what about us?
You know, I really feel crummy about this, guys, but every man for himself.
What about all the women? And the children? And the cute little wooden puppets?
The cute piggies?
Yeah.
3 of them. Okay, but there's not much time, and I'm only going to say this once. So listen up, all of you.
Who dares disturb my slumber?
It's me, Pinocchio!
Hey!
Listen, we must help these people!
Oh, we have guests. Hi there, folks. Welcome to Lord Farquaad's castle. Run for your lives! Though, rather lackluster bunch.
Yeah!
In the morning, I'll make it obvious. Shrek's home was overrun by a horde of fairy tale creatures, banished from the kingdom of Dulac. Banished from the kingdom of Dulac by the evil Lord Farquaad. Yes, everyone found this.
And not you, Mirror!
Let's flock to him if he would rescue the fair Princess Fiona. From a fearsome, fire-breathing dragon. Shrek and Donkey set off on their quest. There was lots of amazing action, pyrotechnics, and heroics. Shrek saved the princess and his ass. And then...
We have just finishing our show for the Shark and Fiona. Sorry guys, the camera was not allowed inside. So I am exit here and just some pictures of Fiona and the shark. There you go. Alina, did you enjoy the show? It's fun, right? It was really fun. Ah, that's your favorite.